Hey queens, today I'm going to be giving you guys a tutorial on how I plucked this synthetic wig. I feel like it made such a difference and the wig's hairline turned out looking really well put together. So let's jump right into this tutorial. The info to this wig will be in the description in the comment section of this video if you guys are interested. So the first thing I did was go ahead and I sectioned my hairline. I do this in 3 different parts: the right side, the left side, and the middle or forehead area of my hairline. I do want to note that if you feel more comfortable using tweezers and you want more of a precise pluck, tweezers may be more efficient for you to use. But for me, I find it easiest because I've done this a few times to just use my hands. So I'll be using my hands in this video. All right, y'all. So I'm going to basically take a small section of the hair facing the hairline, and I pull that section down and I begin to pluck. As I pluck it, I was able to see the hairline basically just becoming a little bit thinner. So I'm doing one side section first. As I pluck and I see the hairline getting thinner, I'm going to move down or up the section of hair, and I'm going to keep going until I finish that section. Now, some wigs, the hairline is a little bit thicker and you may want your hairline to be plucked a little bit more. When that happens, I usually take a section of the hair behind the section that I already plucked, and I do the same process again to just make that hairline look a little bit more realistic. So I'm doing that with all 3 parts and I'm showing you guys comparison. Some tips is to make sure that you're plucking in small sections. And what I mean by that is make sure you're not pulling big chunks of hair or thick pieces of hair at once. I usually try to go for maybe like 1 to 2 strands at a time, because if it's too big of a section of hair, it's possible for the lace to rip, and I do not want that to happen. I don't want to damage the wig. I'm just trying to make it look a little better in the hairline. Another thing is, if you don't know if it's plucked enough to your liking, pull the hair back, comb it back, and take a look at the hairline. And if it looks like what you want, hopefully you'll be able to see that. And if not, you can take a section again and pluck again. I also feel like the wig looked really good with it plucked when I glued this wig down as well, you guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful, y'all. Again, the information is down below in the description and comment section if you're interested. I will talk to you guys in my next video very soon. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the comments. Bye.